John Villarreal for Conservative Media. I'm here in Marco Island, and this is extreme because we've got sand right here. This is extreme sand. It's really, really nice. The beach is very, very big. It's very peaceful. We've got all kinds of skyline over there, just in terms of the hotels and resorts and stuff like that. But it's really chill here. It's a very nice island, but we have all these birds over here. We've got birds over here, and we got a lot of birds over here. That's all like a whole army of seagulls over there that they could be just stirred up at any second. But this is one of the nicest areas in Florida that I've seen. The water looks excellent. It's very calm and clear. I'm here with the family peeps, my sister, my brother-in-law, my nieces. Everybody's in the mix, if you know what I'm talking about. And we're going to just explore this water situation and find out exactly what's in there. Who knows what lurks in those waters? Dude, look at that. Look at that pelican. He's right there bouncing up around the water. Is he trying to get into the JDV mix? Look how big he is. Well, whoa, look at those big wings flying away. That's a big bird, dude. And that's right up against the shore.